Miss Gift?
Yes.
Good. Pay attention. Now, you are out of the class. Where did you go? Come back here this minute. We want to add 7 to, we want to add 6 to 7. So we say 7 plus 6. We want to add 6 to 7. We say 7. Where is your video? Turn on your video. Hit the video icon and I will be able to see you. Good. In 5, 4. Excellent.
3.
All right. So show me 6 with your fingers. Move to the right so I can see you. Move a little bit. You are on the side of your screen. Move to the center. Move the iPad to show your fingers. I can't see all your fingers. Move the iPad. Glory, help her. Move her iPad so that we can see her fingers. So how do we make 6? Because we want to add 6 to 7. So we should 5 and 1 make 6. 5 and 1 make 6. So 6 in my pocket. Now let's add 6. 7 in my pocket. Sorry, 7 in my pockets. Shh, people go and read outside. I'm teaching over here. So 7 in my pocket, and I want to add this 6. Show me the 6 you want to add to the 7. Very good. So let's go 7, and then now let's count. After 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. And if you turn your fingers towards you, 7 in my pocket, I hit my pocket, I say 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you do front fingers, back fingers, you still get it. Somebody check those kids. No noise over there. So we get that. We add in this 6 to the 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
Fakon, check those kids. So how do we write our 13? We write 3 under the 1's place.
I know.
Oh.
You don't have to tell me all time.
All right. So we group 10 fingers into that. So let's see how we're doing the grouping. So 7 is 7 strokes. Now people who do the strokes, even though we don't do the strokes, we just add directly. So let's go with the strokes and you see what happens. So this is 6 strokes. So 6 strokes and then there's 7 strokes. So what we do is we group 7 and we add 3 here and we make 10. So that is 10 ones, and we change the 10 ones into 110. So the 10 ones now become 110 over here. So we put it in the tens place. 10 ones become 110. That's why we write it here as 1. But this is not just 1, it's 110, which is the same as 10 ones. And then we're left with 3 ones. We are left with 3 ones over here. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. And those 3 ones, we write them under the ones place. So this 1 here is at the tens place. So the value of the 1 here is not just 1. It means 10 ones. And the value of the 3 here just means 3 ones. So altogether, we have 13 ones, or you can say 110 and 3 ones, or 10 ones and 3 ones. All right. So that's what we got. So we call this regrouping, making tens out of ones. We can make 110, especially if we're adding 1 digit to 1 digit. We can only regroup to 110. So we have to be keen and we have to know if we're going to be regrouping or not. For example, if we have 7 and 2, then there will be no regrouping. Let's try that. If we had 7 and 2, then we will not be needing any regrouping. So, for example, if I say, Miss Gift, let's add 2 to 7. So that will be 7 plus 2. Miss Gift, what's the answer? 7 plus 2. Show me your 2 fingers and count after 7. And what's the answer? Very fast. What's the answer?
8.
You have 2 fingers. 7 in your pocket. So count. 7 in your pocket. Tap your pocket, say 7. And then first finger is 8. Other finger is what?
9.
9. So
9. I forgot.
you have 9. And we are not regrouping. We can just write a 9 under here. See? We are not regrouping. So Miss Gift, the first number is in your pocket, okay? The first number 7 is in your pocket. And then your 2 is like this. So tap your pocket, say 7. Let's go.
7.
7, 8,
7.
8,
9.
9.
9.
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Now let's go full screen so that you can see me very well. So I have 2, and I want to add the 2 to 7, and 7 is in my pocket, right? So that is 7 in my pocket plus the 2 in my fingers, right? So 7 plus 2 is the question. So what do I say?
9.
I show the 2 and I say 7. You tap your pocket, you say 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Good. Now let's have 5 in our pocket. We're going to add 5. We're going to add 4 to 5. 5 plus 4. Now 5 in your pocket.
5.
5, 6.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. 5 and 4 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can even do it very fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Oh, yes. Pretty. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy.
This time, let's do 10.
All right. Can we do 8 plus 2?
Put 8 in your pocket and 8, 9, 10.
Very good. 8, 9, 10. Can we do 7 plus 3?
3. 7 in your pocket. 8, 9, 10.
Very good. 3 is here. 7 in my pocket. 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Diria says, how are you? Diria, say, give, how are you?
Fine. 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 Fine.
So what's your name?
What's your name?
Loudly. Shout. What's your name? Shout.
What's your name?
Say, my name is Diria. Shout. Say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Diria says, nice to meet you. All right. So that's great. We have seen that. We've seen how to add. But like if you add, let's say we want to add 7 to 7. 7 in our pocket. How can you use your fingers to show 7? 7 with the fingers is what? 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 7, 5 and 2. That's 7. 5 and 2. That's 7.
5 and 2. 7, 5 and 2. 7. 5
All
and
right.
2. 7.
Now you got 7 in your pocket. So you want to do 7 plus 7. You want to add 7 to 7. So 7 in my pocket and we shout 7.
7 in my pocket.
8. Where's yours? 5 and 2. to show the 7 you want to add, 5 and 2. 7 in my pocket. Nod your head says 7.
7,
8,
9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Now, we will have 14 ones. 14 ones. 14 ones. Now, let's see how do we handle the 14 ones. Let's see that with our, we go to our next page. I'm going to bring a new page. All right, so we want to add 14. We want to see 14 ones. 14 ones. So,
how do you guys do it in this line?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn on the lights, please. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 and 7. These are the things we want to add. Come on, if you turn off the lights one more time, I'm going to barbecue you.
Bobby.
Goodbye. So we got 7 ones and another 7 ones. So, and we say there are 14 ones. But there is no way to write 14 ones except we do a trick, because we have the tens place and the ones place. We have the tens place and the ones place. Goodbye. So we're going to take 7 ones and we add the 7 ones with 3 ones, and we're going to make 10 ones. So if we make 10 ones, we can exchange the 10 ones to 110, and we put the 110 under the tens place. And if we do that, we're going to be left with 4 ones here. Goodbye. And we're going to write the 4 ones under the ones place as 4. We're going to write that as 4 under the ones place. And this is what we call 14. 14 is 110. And you can only get 110 from 10 ones. So you change 10 ones to 110. And then you're left with 4 ones. So 14 means 10 ones. And 10 ones, you just write by 1, not 10 again. You just write 1. So you say 110 means 10 ones. So, and you can read that as 10 ones or 110 and 4 ones. And all together, you have 14 ones. So that is 1 and 4 makes 14. But this one is not just 1, it's under the tens place. So that is 10 ones or 110. Do you understand how we regroup? We make 10 ones into 110. So 7 and 3 makes 10. So we just write 1. But this 1 is not just 1, 1. It is 110. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Uncle Nelly, can I go get my water bottle?
All right, go get your water bottle, and then you come and do the next regrouping. We're going to regroup the next question. We're going to try to regroup some. So we're going to do 8 plus 5. We're going to do 8 plus 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we get and how do we regroup? You're going to regroup 10 ones into 110. So count your 10 ones and you group them and you write 1 under the tens place. So let me put the tens place and let me put the ones place. So 110. So show me the 10 ones that you regroup. Put a circle around the 10 ones. Count 10 ones and put a circle around.
10 ones.
So here is 8. So how do you go to 10? Count to 10. You will need some greens to add to the blues to make 10, right? So let's go. And we will regroup in a new way and not right down the middle like this. We will move this bar and you put the bar somewhere else. You have this big bar. I'm going to erase this big bar. So regroup first. Count 10. Let's count 10. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
10. No, you just count 10. And then now you bring a giant bar. Can you put now a giant bar now here? You see? Now you have regrouped like this. And all this one is 10. And then here you're left with 3. You see? So now this 3 you're left with, you can put a 3 under here. And this 10 that we have here, this 10, we have 110, and you write 1 under the 10. It means you have 110. See? So that's what we're learning. Regrouping and making 10. So that's the meaning of 10. We take 10 ones and we turn it into 110. And then we put the 1 under this 10. This is the 10th place. All right? Are you ready for next question? And you show me how to regroup. Are you ready? We have to count 10 before we can regroup. All right, you're going to add 7 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And then for 5, you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now you need to regroup. Now, if we look at it, it's 7 and 5. It's not 10 and something, but we're going to make it to be 10 and then something. So we cannot put the giant line here in the middle. No, we have to find a new place to put this giant line. We have to make 10. So where do you count right up to 10? That is when you're going to put the line, and you make 2 parts. So we're going to write how many 10s and how many 1s on there. So count 10 ones, and then you put a line. Let's count. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. So where do you divide it? 10 to your left and the rest to the right. Very good. So you have 10. What is remaining after the 10?
2.
2. Where do you write the 2? Under the O. O means once. O stands for once. So let me spell it for once. And this one is tens. T stands for tens. So under the ones, you write what is remaining. What is remaining is the O. So write the 2. 2 is remaining. Write the 2 under the O. Put 2 under the O. Yes. And then how many tens did we make? We made 10 ones. So that was 110. So put 1 under the tens. So we have 110 and 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones. Very good. So all this like this is 110. This group is 110. And this group is 2 ones. So 110 and 2 ones, that is 12. So you see what 12 means. 12 means 110 and 2 ones. You understand now? I hope Miss Gibb understands now. Excellent. So this next question, I'm not going to help you even for 1 second. You're going to do it all by yourself. And you're going to write tens and ones all by yourself. T and O, and you're going to put 1 here, and you're going to put what is remaining on the right by yourself. So now I'm going to prepare slide 8 for you. Let's go.
I don't know how to spell them because I don't remember quickly.
No, you just use T and O, that's all. T for tens, because tens is t, 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 t. And ones is O-N-E-1. So you just use T and O, right? Can you write T and O? Let me see. T and O. Very good. That's all. That's all you need to write. T means tens, O means ones. So let me put your question. Your question is 8 plus 6. So that is 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna be adding 6 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now you gotta make tens and see what is left on the other side. And then you come and write your answer. Let's go. And again, you gotta be fast.
1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. When you get to 10, draw a line. Good. Very good. Perfect. You have regrouped. You have regrouped. We've made new groups now, not the 8 and 6. We have made 10 and what? 10 and what now? 10 and
1.
how many ones on the other side?
3, 4.
4 ones. Very good. Where do you write your 4 ones? Where do you write your 4? Under the T or under the O? 4 ones. No, not here. No, not here. Not here, Miss Gift. You don't write your 4 here. 4 ones. O stands for ones. 4 ones. Very good. You write under O. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Miss Gift, where's your T and O? Very good. Your 4. And then for your 10, how many 10 did we make? We made just 1 10, right? 10 ones means 1 10. So when you put your 1, very good. So how do we read this number? 13, 12. How do we read this number?
14.
14. So 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones. Go. Say 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones.
14 is 1 10 and 4 ones.
Very good. So how do we make the 1 10? We take 10 ones and group together and we'll make 1 10. We group 10 ones and we make 1 10. And then we are left with 4 ones. So we have made new groups. One group of 1 10. 1 10 equals 10 ones. And then we're left with 4 ones. So 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones. Perfect. So I will see Miss Gift next class. Miss Gift, tomorrow you have to teach this. How to cut it like this. How to do the tens. How to do 8 plus 6 and you regroup 10 ones and then 4 ones. and the 10 ones is 110, and the 4 ones is just 4 ones. So 14 is our answer. 8 plus 6. Remember, here we have 8 ones, and here we have 6 ones. So 8 plus 6 gives 14. We regroup 10 ones as 110, and then we have 4 ones left. So good job. Tomorrow you'll be the teacher. You'll be a teacher for 4 minutes. You'll be a teacher for 4 minutes. And you will teach 2 questions. Are you excited?
2.
Are you excited?
Yes, but just 2.
Yeah, just 2. It's your first class as a teacher. So choose your 2 questions.
Teacher.
You want to be a teacher for longer? No worries. We will have many opportunities to role play the teacher in the class. So tomorrow is your first class. I'm excited for you. So choose your questions wisely. 9 plus 5, maybe 7 plus 8, like that. All right. So choose your 2 questions wisely, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow in the class. Goodbye.
Goodbye, folks.
So I will log out, and Glory can come later. Glory can come after this. Glory will come after you.
Laugh.